Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video. I've been wanting to make a video on this game for a while, but I've finally had the chance to. But I think that's enough yapping. Let's get into the video. So I've been grinding on this game for a while now. As you can see, I'm level 23. Off camera, I got to 1 out of 1 millions. Not gonna lie, this game is really cool. It was made by one of the devs of FISCH. And on mobile, you can customize the layout of the UI. The game has a really big map too. My goal right now is to get a rare bird. Yo, what is that? I see the golden ones. I got it. I got the other one too. I'm surprised no one came to steal it. By the way, guys, a good starter place is Quill Lake. Then, after you get Lake Burn, Rifle go to Mount Beaks to grind XP and money. I think after this video I'll release a full guide to Roblox BEAKS. Here is some of the birds I caught off camera. This one is my favorite. The bioluminescence mutation is so cool, but also pretty rare. Most of the rest of this is just gonna be boring wandering around, so I'll skip all of that to the good parts. Let's use a crystal dart to get the rare crystal mutation. Let's do I got IT. I guess that concludes the video, as we reached our goal of getting a rare bird. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me put more videos out like this one, and share this video to your friends.